bones aren't meant to be broken. Take me to where the mountains can kill. People are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart.
I'm getting ready for school. Today is Monday. I took the camera early because I wanted to start this vlog off pretty early, man. So what's up, Emmaandellie? It's Emma, and Ellie is still sleeping and I have to be really quiet. And the funny thing is, I should have been filming before I even woke up because my nose just went bloop. It just poured everywhere, like I still have blood on my hand. Yeah, it's disgusting. Ugh. It just went a big puddle. I had my hands cupped like this. I had it like this. It was a full puddle of blood. And it went bloop. And it's in the sink now, upstairs. And it just... 6:40, I leave in 8 minutes. I'm contemplating on my shoes. I have black. What shoes should I wear? Should I wear your gray ones or should I wear my black ones?
It is 2:15. I have to go get Ellie for her private lesson. This is their second to last lesson. That's all they will have left before we move. So it's getting really close. I ran some errands today that I needed to get done. And and I did some laundry, did some packing, some cleaning. And yes, I still clean even though, hold on, I gotta put stitch in. Yes, I still clean even though we're moving, because we got dogs, dog hair, whatever. So yeah. Zoe in. So I'm getting ready to leave to go get Ellie, and then we will film at their lesson. And I think we have to go get boxes tonight from U-Haul, and I'm not sure what else, but we will film all that later. So I just wanted to say hi. Bye.
So I just got home and I'm gonna might do something while my mom's alive. So today is my 12th. No, that's the 21. Where's the 12th? 12th is right here. It's the 12th day of December, but it might be my mom might post this on the 13th or 14th, so don't be mad at me and saying that I got it wrong. So I'm just gonna be opening. I got a little.
Hey, Shauna from Ireland. Is it winter or summer there?
I got a little headband,
from Florida.
and then I think I don't remember which one's which, but I think that this one's Chip. I think this is Chip. Wait, because this is Baby, and this is Dale. I think this is Dale. And they both have a Santa hat, but see this? Who's left? And then this one's facing right, and Dale has a little bow on the top. Okay, so I'll film while we're going to the barber.
Standing on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on the thrones? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never alone. those will always be the best days of my life. My life. There I fell in love, held her hand, kissing while we painted hearts down in the sand. The sand, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens upon a throne? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never
Alright guys, so we just got home from 10 million class. We did me and Ellie's private together with Elizabeth, so we had extra time. And also, I don't know what's wrong with my arm. It hurts like crap. It hurts so bad to put pressure on it. Like, I don't know what I did. It must be like something I pulled on it or whatever. So it's, I don't know if it's broken or not, but we're just gonna put some ice on it and hope for the best. Yeah. And so it is 5 o'clock. Mark should be getting home soon. I don't know what our plans are for tonight. I think it's supposed to start packing and finish presents, because my mom earlier today went and got some of the presents, and also we have to what else do we have to do? Eat dinner. We didn't know what we were actually doing, but we decided we went to the U-Haul box. We got some boxes. Man, we got them packed and all that stuff. We got a lot of stuff packed. Man, we got some rubber foam. And so we went out to eat at Olive Garden. Also, I forgot to show you guys Penelope. There is Penelope. She has an ornament with Olaf. So there is Penelope for today. And so I'm in my comfy socks that I got from Pink. I've been trying to do whatever the like pair of sweats, or whatever. What are they called? I don't know what they're called. I'm gonna try and do it and show you what they. I remember I took palm classes. It would start like, dun, and it would be like, dun, dun. Be this, and then we'd turn. I don't know how to do them. Comment down below or take the poll question up top if you know how to do these. Like they're, wait. I don't know how to do it. You like keep turning. It's so hard. I don't know how to do it. And then I get really dizzy. Yeah, and look, I'm wearing my new pink shirt I got. So yeah, pretty cool, man. It was like so warm outside today, and now it's like freaking 20 degrees lower than it usually was. So yeah, we've just been packing. We had tumbling class. We've been, well, you've been for now until I stop vlogging. It is only 8:30 and it's like super dark. It feels like 11:30, but we're getting ready for bed. We have not lots to do besides pack. That's where we went to go get some more U-Haul boxes. Yeah. Olive Garden, and we got our usual. I got fettuccine, breadsticks, and salad, and that's what everybody else had besides Mom and Dad. They got salad. I mean, not salad. They got, what did they get? They had, what do they have? Soup, zucchini soup. So, yeah, I'm going to be helping my mom pack because we have lots to pack. What?
Why'd you look at me like that?
So we'll see you guys before we go to bed or whatever we do after we're done packing.
Okay guys, so we just got...
Lift it up.
I can't hold it, it's so heavy. How about I shorten this a little? It's like a roller coaster. Ah! You just fell. Look at my feet. No, you're falling. No, ready? Now you're gonna go down, but what? Now what? We're gonna be really high up.
Please don't go up the camera.
So I'm gonna get the drink. That would just be funny. Okay, I'm just gonna film it upside down. Upside down.
Alright,
Up.
sit down. Get your stuff.
What do you mean?
Get your stuff. Time to bed.
Why?
Emmaandellie, click up here to subscribe to my channel.
Click down here to see a family vlog.
And click up here to watch our challenges.
Click down here to subscribe.